Yeah, this is Paul. Yeah. What time is it? It must be about 9:10. I had to make a call first thing this morning. Tell them I was not feeling good. I really didn't want to do any weeding today. I was up to about 2 a.m. trying to get some sort of pro bono legal representation because I can't get my rights enforced. But then I got to thinking about it. There must be a news station or a newspaper or somebody in the media that would want to know about obstructing the rights of American citizens, kidnapping my sons, refusing to enforce my rights as a victim, as a whistleblower. I thought I'd go into politics this morning. During the last presidential campaign, I ran for president, but maybe I was overshooting what was the actual availability. Now, when you don't enforce the Constitution, you remember that due process that I was talking about yesterday? You remember all those emails, hundreds of thousands of emails? Well, somebody decided that they were gonna mess up my Outlook and Hotmail accounts, and I happen to like using Hotmail. Well, actually, the Outlook account. It seems to be a real good account to write emails. I had written an email that I was attempting to send to various news stations, but somebody obstructed my emails again. Someone's refusing to enforce the laws of the United States. Now, as I mentioned in my last video, I might run for mayor of Port Angeles. I've been living here for quite a long time, and there might be a few citizens that know about this. Thinking about raising some money. Give, give. I know. I haven't been homeless for the last 5.5 years. Maybe I'd run for mayor of Port Angeles. The police department and sheriff's department. I'm sure they'd just love to work with me as a mayor of the city. Hello, my name is Paul. I think we're going to do it different. Oh, is that right? Oh, is that right? It could be that I could run for representative. I've emailed enough of them, those elected to office. I know Derek Kilmer is one of these more popular representatives. And I've been living here long enough that I actually am eligible to run for office. Now, there's a couple senators in Washington State. Isn't there Senator Patty Murray and what's the other one name? I saw her on TV yesterday, Maria Cantwell. It's Paul! Golly, gee whiz. I know you got elected to office. You're one of those real special senators that doesn't have to enforce the laws of the United States. You don't have to enforce the Constitution of the state of Washington. You don't have to enforce the United States Constitution. But I thought, well, why don't I get involved in politics? It'd be nice to have those constitutional rights today. I'd like to know, where are my missing and exploited sons? I'm thinking about going through all the various ways to raise funds so that I can get elected to office in any city, any county, the governor of the state of Washington. Now, when you obstruct my rights, okay, when you don't enforce those 10 amendments in the Bill of Rights, I'm that citizen that just might go about raising some funds for a new political campaign in one of these political offices where you have to swear that you will support and defend the Constitution.